Hi everyone, I'm sorry I have been away for so long, but I traveled, I got a flu, I couldn't speak at all, and I had been ordering my uh, hobby place, so I have really a lot to do. But now I am back, and the tutorial for this week is this cute Shappo charm. Shappo, I think is the name. I'm not sure. Yes, I think it's Shappo. Yes, it's Shappo. And I for this project I will use two different type of polymer clay. So check the materials, and as you can see, I also got problems with the oven. The pieces actually are getting burned. My pieces. I have no idea why. Is the temperature is lower than it should be. I have checked everything, but no, I am having a lot of trouble, especially not so badly with the Fimo clay, but with the Sculpey. With the Sculpey, I am having a lot of troubles. But let's get started, and here are the materials. Well, the first we are going to use is Fimo Effect. The light pink, that will be the number 205. Then the Sculpey 3, that will be in the number, let's see. Oh, I can find the color there. 303 Dusty Rose. That's the color of the Sculpey. And from Fimo Soft, the color number 43. That the name of this color is Flashlight or Chair Clear. That's the name of, but the important is actually the number 43. That's for the skin of a Shappo that I don't know where I left it. It disappeared. Here it is, for this part of the skin. And of course the black color, that can be from Sculpey or from Fimo. It doesn't matter at all. As you can see, I tried to make this tutorial before, but look what it happened. It's got incredibly burned. But that was a problem with the paper that I put in the surface. So as you can see, this is about trying. Other tool that we will need is this, something for make the eyes, this black points. That I use acrylic paint for them, so acrylic white paint. You can make it with polymer clay if you want, and have enough patience for make them all the same size. Or a dotting tool, like this, something like that. Pliers. This eye screws, little. And also a cell phone strap if you want it for a cell phone, or you can use a keyring. And this piece, as you can see, also have here I changed this circle for a small keyring circle, so then don't get loose, because this is one of the things that happen. A cutting tool for cut the clay. If you think you could need it, a rolling pin, acrylic rolling pin or rolling pin, but usually it should be good with just your hands. And wood, like piece of wood like this, or like a tooth stick, like these ones, for the bonding of these parts. So yeah, let's get started. The first we are going to do is to take 2 equal pieces of each clay, of the Fimo and the Sculpey, and then I am going to press it against the table or the surface a little, like this, and then I am going to put it together just like that, and then I will roll it a little in my hand like that, very soft until get together like this, so the line is not so with much like the tile. It look like it's only, so it will look like it's only one piece in two colors. If the color get like this, you just move it a little to the side and we'll get straight again, so don't worry about that. I will try to make the form of Shappo, and then after it's ready I will make 2 holes in the head for the ears. If you see that is one side that is maybe more dirty, or because always get very dirty, but you just use you can use this white towels, cleaning towels for babies, like this, for cleaning, or just like a piece of cotton with alcohol and clean the piece after it's done, before you bake it, of course. And what I'm going to do here now is, let's see, with something like that, you just make 2 holes for the ears, like this. Then I'm gonna take a little piece of the clay and make the ears. This is actually not so difficult. It might look difficult, but it's not difficult to make. This is a little too big. Take a little out, make a circle, and then try to make it longer, like this, and I just will put it like this. Then with can be a toothstick, I will start bonding like this. The Sculpey that I got is very soft compared to the Fimo clay. It's very soft. So you just look at it and it's get like ready. Of course you will do this much better, because I'm trying to do it fast, so the tutorial don't take so long. Yeah, there. And what I'm going to use now is the other piece, but of course I have to clean the cutting tool, and I will take a little clay from the other color, the Fimo, for make the other ear. The same as in this one, try to make a circle, so you make disappear all the lines and things, and then you make it long like this. This one you will have to make it a little more long because it's twisted. So after I will bond it first. And then I will twist it a little. But for make the twisting easier, I will use, let's see, maybe this here a little, so it's not so hard to twist. There. So there you have the head. Now I'm going to make the face. I use the black color at the end because it's obvious it's black and my hands will get maybe a little pieces of black in the fingers because I don't have the fingers soft. So it's very important that you always use the strong colors at the end. You always work with the soft colors first, like in this case. Now this is the skin color, the number 43 Fimo Soft Flashlight. We'll try to make it a little softer. And I'm gonna make a circle like this, and then I will press it. I will take it out and I will press it like this a little to the sides. And I use always tweezers for the pieces of hair that these always fly around here. And it actually didn't want it to go away. This is one of the biggest problems that I have when I am doing clay, the hair. I always have pieces of hair flying around. After I have the head, the face part, I will, with a kind of cutting tool or something like that, we are going to make the tiles in the face. Like this. And now we will use the black color. Let's see, I'm gonna need a little more. You can use black color from Sculpey, from Fimo, from Premo, as long as be black. Now if you don't want to do this part with clay, you can do it with painting it, but at least the eyes and the nose. But the hat, no, the hat you have to make it. So we are going to make the hat now. You just can press it like this if you don't have like a rolling pin, or you can use a rolling pin so it gets better. Then we are going to cut it like this. So this is the base, and with a cutting tool like this we are going to make a cut there, 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 no, I mistake. Let's see. I have to watch the phone. As you can see, it's always things that it's not like everything is perfect. Things don't happen It's always things. Let's see, there. I am not very good for doing this, as you can see, but you just, after you have the form, you, with the fingers and with tools, you just make the right hat, or as it should be. But as you can see, I have small pieces of black clay in my hands, so I have to clean it before I touch the figure again. And what I'm going to do is to just put it here. No, it's too long, the sides. Don't worry if, as you can see, the hat lose the form. You just can give it back with the fingers or with a toothstick, and then it's the hat. There. Now I'm going to make the eyes with the small pieces from the that I have left. I can make a small snake. Something like that. And cut the piece for it's better in the table. You can do it like this or just make 2 small circles. Let's see, like this. I have the nose, and for the eyes have to be bigger because Shappo have the eyes big. But there I have Shappo. Once you have finished, just bake the figure according to the package instructions. In the case of Fimo, the Fimo shouldn't be baked more than 30 minutes and at 130 degrees Celsius. In the case of Fimo, you will have to measure how much you have. But in this case, I here we use millimeters and centimeters, but this in millimeters is about 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters? No. This is, let's see, 1 centimeter, 9 millimeters. So basing on that I will calculate how much. I think is for 6 millimeters is 15 minutes in the oven, so I will make the calculation and I will bake it. You just check your package and do it according to your package instructions. Meantime, the piece get cold. I'm gonna change the circle of the cell phone strap. I just will open it and take away the circle, because as you can see it's just a common circle that could get open and we will lose our piece, so it's not the idea. And I will change it for this one. Let's see if I can make the camera focus a little. No, doesn't want to focus. Let's see. And more light. There. This is like a mini keyring, so it's important to use this so the piece don't fall off if you make some pressure over it. This is a little complicated to put in here, but you can do it with a little difficulty, but you can do it. One is entering this hole, we have to manage to make it go in the other two, like this. And there we have the cell phone ready. Now the eye screws, what we need is to try to choose one that be long as possible. This one should be okay. And as you can see, again I have the same problem. The piece is getting brown. I don't know why, but I have to fix that problem. Anyway, I wanted to show you how to make the Shappo. For put the eye screw, you press a little against the piece, but here doesn't want to. You press a little against the piece and then you start twisting it around. You can put a little glue if you want to. Like this, and now is the show again. Try to put this in the screw. You can use a tool to help you to open the mini keyring, because as you can see it's a little difficult to open it, but and I don't have nails, so it's for me it's more difficult. But there is in. There. So now we have our Shappo. Okay, after everything is ready, the cell phone strap and the eye screw in the figure, what I'm going to do is to use, you can use a dotting tool or whatever you want for the circles. Oh, let's see. If this happens, just clean it with this baby wipe, and since I spilled a little, and then with the same cleaning paper towel, you just clean any mess that you could have made as me. So yeah, there is the figure finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions. I would like to thank you all because I recently reached 400 subscribers, so thank you very much for the support and for watch my videos. If you have anything you would like to know, just ask me. I will do my best to answer you all. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.